everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. We still do not have the truck. So tonight's video, a little update for you guys. I've got something I've been holding back on you guys that I got last week that I've been meaning to show you guys. So since we don't have anything to do on the truck today because we don't have a truck to work on. But that's okay, because what I have to show you guys is going to be extremely awesome. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you don't already. You already know what I'm talking about. I'm extremely excited for it. I was going to show you one more thing tonight, but I'm going to hold back on that for you guys because it's something you don't see a lot, and I'm extremely excited about it. That being said, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. And let's go ahead and see what I'm talking about. We're gonna go ahead and do a little pretend here for a second. We're gonna pretend that I have a workbench, and we're gonna use some chairs that I gotta refinish for my wife, and show you guys what I got. Like I said, for those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know full well what I was talking about before I showed you guys just now. You guessed it. These right here are Kryptonite's full floating traction bar kit. Now you may be wondering why I went with them. The reason why I went with Kryptonite is because their products are nonetheless top of the line, and everybody knows that in our industry, in our world. So why not try their full floating traction bars? I know I could have spent like $200 less and got HSP WCfab. You know, that kit came in at $899.99, and then the powder coating on top of it was an extra $300, and it was worth it. The link in the description below will be for this set. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we are going to be installing those as soon as we get the truck back. I'm beyond excited about it. The powder coating is amazing. It came out perfectly. It's exactly what I expected. It's called Silver Artery. I'll leave that powder coat code in the description below as well with that link, and I am beyond pleased with it. They have been awesome to work with. They're outstanding. I'm glad they hopped on the build with me. I seriously, you guys, I can't be more excited. You guys have to get yourself a set. We're gonna go ahead and see how these things perform. I'm just extremely excited. We've got a lot of big things coming, and I just can't get over the fact how excited I am, and I really hope you guys are excited as well. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button if you support Kryptonite and all their amazing products, whether that's their razor products or their truck parts. You can't go wrong with them at all. So like I said, unfortunately I don't have the truck back, but hey, I'm getting a new turbo in the valley, so kind of something you gotta deal with. Why I didn't install that myself and why I didn't upgrade it myself will be another video when we talk about Eric's truck and the issues that are with Eric's truck. But make sure you guys stay tuned for next week. Make sure you guys finish your guys' weeks nice and strong. Have yourselves a great weekend here coming up. It's very warm here in Wisconsin, and we're gonna try and enjoy this nice weather before, of course, the all-knowing winter snaps back in on us. Like I said, follow me on Instagram so you get these notifications before you see these videos posted. Sometimes I just can't help myself when parts come in, and I gotta share it with you guys, and that is exactly what happened with those traction bars. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications, and we'll see you guys next time.